He's known to have people who make controversial statements on his couch, and he's also known to have controversial people together on the couch. And the man in question is Karan Johar, of course. Thank you for talking to Zoom.
Thank you for having me.
First of all, the fourth season of Karan, Coffee with Karan is back, and of course, it's going to be a blockbuster opening. Salman Khan is the first guest.
Well, I was very excited because Salman hasn't been on the show before. So this is his debut on Coffee with Karan. He was part of my debut film. And I have had a great rapport with him over the past 15 years. He's known my family really well, my mom and dad. I've known his entire family very closely. So it took a bit of time because I think he's sometimes shy about talking about like stuff that is personal. And, he says that's the kind of vibe of the show. So he never came on earlier. So it was very wonderful and gracious of him to accept to be the season opener this season. I have to say he was a terrific sport. He was amazing. He spoke very candidly, and there was strength and solidarity in his thoughts, clarity as well, and getting his father Salim Saab to come for a very wonderful segment was truly an honor for us at the show.
And it's always seen that, even before the first episode comes of your show, there's so many things going on the net. We keep reading that this is going to happen on Coffee with Karan, and this couple is going to be there. So we also read that Shah Rukh and Kajol are going to be there. So is it true?
Shah Rukh and Kajol have been twice on the show together, so they may not come together on this season, but they will definitely be on the show, maybe in separate combinations.
And considering the kind of things that happened in the last season, especially the Deepika and Sonam episode, do you see that the stars are a little more cautious this time, or they're...
Everyone is coming far more prepared, far more armed. I'm still trying my best to needle them a little bit, but it's not really happening. I think everyone's far too clever. Now everybody has a publicist and a manager, so they all come very well trained.
With you also?
Well, yeah, of course. Even
you're part of the industry, their friends on your personal.
I know a lot of stuff personally, but I'm not about to reveal that on television because that wouldn't be fair.
And also, who is that other person from the industry who's still not been on Coffee with Karan you aim to get this time?
Well, Amir hasn't been on the show, and I'm definitely going to talk about that when that happens.
Giving us a little bit of hint here.
Well, take it as a hint then.
Okay, so apart from Coffee with Karan, there's Shuddhi also. There are talks that it's been postponed. Is it true that it's going to go on floors mid-July next year?
We're still discussing the schedule, but yes, it will happen next year. But it will happen for sure around mid next year.
And thank you so much, Karan. Thank you for talking.